We got this digital thermometer when my husband put our last one in the sink that was filled with water, and it was not waterproof. I really do like the fact that when you open it, it turns on, and when you close it, it turns off. It's also really neat that it has all of the temperatures of what everything needs to be cooked at right there on the thermometer, because I can't tell you how many times we've been in the middle of cooking and my husband's like, honey, what temperature does chicken have to be cooked to? Or what's medium rare on a steak? So I do really like it. Even says well done, medium well, medium rare. It is super convenient to have in the house. So we don't have any of those like charts that say what temperature meat needs to be cooked at. So it's really nice that it's right there on the thermometer. We've used this for everything from our fish tank to our pool, I think to even my chicken water, as well as obviously food and washing it in between. But it is awesome. It doesn't seem to run out of battery very fast. I don't know if we've ever actually changed the batteries, but it is super convenient to have in the kitchen. I would 100% recommend. And if for whatever reason this one happened to die, then we would definitely be ordering another one.